So let us see the features or adaptation of plants found in coastal regions. Okay, so coastal regions, we all know coastal areas, that is near the sea, right? So near the sea, whatever area or region comes near the sea, those are known as coastal areas, aligning the sea, okay, on the coast. Therefore it's known as coastal areas. So the plants living in the coastal areas, they have to face many challenges, okay, they have to face many conditions such as windy weather and excess salt. Okay, since the weather there is windy and there is excess amount of salt, therefore it is a threat to the survival of these plants. To fight such conditions, plants found there have thick and shining leaves. Okay, so the plants in coastal regions, they have thick and shining leaves. Why do they have thick and shining leaves? Thick and shining leaves reduces water loss. We have earlier studied that the water is lost through the leaves by the process known as transpiration. Okay, so leaves tend to reduce or tend to lose water. So to reduce this, to lower this, they have thick and shining leaves. The roots of these plants and trees grow near the surface of the soil. Okay, they don't go deep inside the soil. They grow just above the soil, okay, near the surface of the soil, and spread out over a wide area. They are spreaded wide and they grow near the surface of the soil. They don't go deep inside. Okay, then the roots of the plants growing on rocky shores. Shores, we all know, seashores, right, near the sea. Okay, so the place near the sea is called shores. So if it's rocky, if the roots are growing on rocky shores, they are tough. Why they are tough? Because they often have to make their way through the rocks, right? They have to make their way through the rocks, therefore they need to be tough. So the roots of the plants growing on rocky shores, they are tough as they often have to make their way through the rocks. Then some of the trees found in the coastal regions include coconut tree, areca nut and pandanus. See, look here, these are the trees. Can you see? The trees are tall, okay, the leaves are shiny and thick. It prevents the loss of water from the leaves. Then the roots, they are spreaded and they grow near the surface of the soil. Can you see in the last pandanus tree, right? See in the roots, they are just near the surface. They grow near the surface of the soil. And some trees which grow on rocks near the shores, the roots are tough. So these are some of the features of the plants in the coastal region.